Hi people, this is Karthik again from Snap Learn to Earn. Now, if you may recall from our previous video regarding the introduction to the Shift Management System SharePoint Solution or SMS, that we discussed how this tool could result in huge amount of savings for you in terms of penalties avoided for breach of response or resolution SLAs not met, and also how this tool would be the ideal way to stop the unwieldiness of it all when it comes to cradle to grave ownership of tickets for agents, and how even if an agent were unavailable for any reason, the shift in charge would be notified via an SMS alert, even if internet, mobile data, or internet Wi Fi is down and they may not be able to receive email notifications. Now, in this video, we'll go through a little bit more about the other benefits and features of this tool. As you can see on the screen, this is a browser-based tool, and it can be implemented via a plugin on the browser toolbar, either for Chrome or Internet Explorer. And as you can see, it's got 4 tabs up top: the schedule task, the shift rollover, follow-ups, and activities. Let me go through each of these tabs quickly to let you know how this works. Scheduled tasks is for events that occur at regular intervals, such as backups and patching. Patching occurs on every second Tuesday of every month from Microsoft for updates. That's just an example. The next tab over is the shift rollover. This is for events that are incidents or problems that occur at irregular intervals of time, and you can track them here. And it would be ideal for issues that are non-first call resolution tickets where more than one person or one shift has to handle a ticket and coordinate the activities with other shifts. So it will be a one-stop shop for them. The next tab over is the follow-ups tab, which is for issues that are possibly reproducible and the customer or the user wants a follow-up call in a couple of days to check back as to whether the issue has reoccurred or not, or if the customer and the agent are playing phone tag and either one of them is unavailable when the other is ready, and sometimes you have to follow the 3 strikes policy. You could set that all up here on this tab. Finally, we have the activities tab, which is for one-time activities such as provisioning of applications for a new user, or even terminating users. Now, that's just a bit about this tool. As you can see up top, you also have some options, masters and reports. These are available on the management screen that those people with the privilege of an administrator have these options. If you point to reports and then onto schedule task and click on schedule task report, you get a dump of all the tickets on this screen, and up top you have some options such as export to Excel. You can create a workflow app where you could create a flow in terms of how a user wants to get an application provision for him but needs a manager's approval, and so the request flies up to the manager and the manager approves or disapproves of it, and it flies back down to the user, who then is able or not able to get the application provision for him. So that's just a little bit about the workflows. If we move to the left here to the export to Excel function and click on it, you'll see it downloads a little file on the bottom. If you then click on the caret open, click on open, and you'll see Excel opening up with hopefully the file that you have a little pop-up that says enable or disable. Just say enable to it to get the report dump. And let's see here, open sesame, and there we have the report filtered out neatly in rows and columns, and you get to slice it and dice it any way you want to create pivot tables, VLOOKUP charts, and do what if analysis, goal seeking, and modeling with it. So you can do a lot of things with this in Excel. For instance, you could do graphing and charting and things like that. So this is just a little bit about this tool. If you like it, please share your feedback on this YouTube channel page. And if you would like, you can click on like and subscribe to this channel. We'll be providing you with constant updates about the validity of this tool in terms of updates that we set up to it, and also how other use cases for it are in progress and how they're turning out. Okay, so I thank you for watching this video, and I'd like you to have a good day today. Bye-bye.